Now, question. Do we remember which of our icing bags was flood consistency and which was full strength?
That one's the first one. This was the second.
Fantastic. So we want our flood consistency for our sombrero. We've got to cut our hole. You guys have a good feeling for how big that hole needs to be. You guys all did a great job there. If I were to demonstrate again, I take my bag and I'm looking at my ruler. It's so hard to see because this ruler is not super clear. And then I push my bag up until it fills that 1/8 of an inch. And that's where I cut my hole. Let's do it whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready, feel free to put the sombrero detail on there too. So I started by creating the ribbon, the string that's always seemed to be on the sombreros. And then I created some crisscross ribbons up the hat. And then I used my colors to create the little tassel balls. I don't know what these things are called, but they're little tassels on the sombrero hats. They're just like the little dots of alternating color. So usually what I do is I'll pick a color and I start by piping a little dot, stop piping, and then lift up. And then space it out. And then maybe choose a different color. And squeeze a little ball of color, stop, and then lift up. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, consider being a part of our Patreon channel. Your support means the world to us and helps keep everything moving. Enjoy full tutorials, exclusive content, and one-on-one instruction from me personally, Natalie. You'll find our channel at patreon.com/artisinCakes. You'll find the link down below.